What up? My big belly.
You need to tell them you already fixed the trampoline.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, I won't do that.
Why not?
Could make me liable if anything goes wrong. I didn't fix it, you did. I've got nothing to do with it. We need to keep the boxes.
So ayun guys, na-fixan namin yung aming trampoline. Si Isabel kasi matagal na niya request yung trampoline. So ngayon, hindi pa niya alam na bumili kami ng trampoline. Surprise namin siya ngayong araw na to. Nasa school pa siya. So pagbalik niya, sabi ko may surprise kami sa'yo. Pipikit mo yung mata mo, tapos sasabihan kita pag okay na. Saka mo lang bubuksan yung mata mo. Ayan. So ayun, nahirapan kami magbuo ng trampoline kasi ang laki. Ayun siya finally. Nabuo na siya. Dito namin sa likod nilagay kasi safety dito sa loob. Hello, sweetheart. So, ayun.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Nagliligpit ang asawa ko ng mga box, empty box. So, yun yung box ng trampoline. It's gonna be exciting day for Isabel kasi ang tagal na niyang nag-request nito. Ngayon lang namin binili. So, ang laki niya guys. Sobrang laki yung trampoline. At ang luwag sa loob. So, ayan. Ayan siya. Yeah, ayan, ang laki guys. So, excited na ako makita yan ni Isabel kasi yan ang pinakahihintay niyang regalo sa kanyang birthday. So, ito yung loob niya guys. Sobrang laki. Ayan yung loob. Ayan yung brand. Yung brand ng trampoline guys. Medium size siya ng trampoline, sabi ng asawa ko. Wala siyang ladder. Hindi na orderan ng asawa ko ng ladder. Pero may ladder kami doon, yung puti, ayun. So, kunin ko yung ladder. Ayan, may ladder akong binili sa Bunnings. So, ayun guys, nandito yung ating ladder. Ilagay natin ang ating ladder dito. Nakita nyo naman may ladder na siya. Excited na akong umuwi si Isabel. Yan na guys pa. Parating na. Ayan. Hello. Cookie?
She lost her hat.
What?
Yeah. Okay, you can come out.
Are you ready for your surprise?
Yes. And look, Cookie in here for Day and me.
Where did you put your hat?
What I lost it. I cannot remember where it is. So the teacher said they will find it on the next morning.
Okay. You look tired.
No,
She's in a good mood.
I'm sad.
Hey, you need to close your eyes.
Okay, but okay.
You go upstairs first. No, not yet. You go upstairs.
And then I'll face this way.
Yeah, okay. Come here. Not yet. Don't cheat. You need to close your eyes now.
No, I still need to look.
Okay, now open your eyes. There's the surprise.
Wow! Let's go. Let's go outside and go out there. I want to go out there and bounce on it now. I'm so excited. Oh.
Just put it in, yeah. You like it?
Yes! I like the surprise!
Very good.
So good!
Yeah. So, nakita niyo
I
naman,
thought you would
guys.
get this for Christmas.
Yeah.
Wait a minute, are we getting another one for Christmas for my baby brother?
No.
So cool! I love it!
So, ayun guys, nakita niyo naman kung gaano siya ka-excited. Walang tigil yung yung talo na yun. Sa wakas, natupad yung kanyang pangarap na magkaroon ng trampoline. Ayan, kasi gusto niya tumalon ng tumalon. Nakakatuwang tingnan kasi matagal na niya request yan. Ngayon lang nangyari. It's so fun.